See, I'll tell you something जो I have realized in my life, and I hope my father doesn't watch this, but the toughest job in the world is a son working with his father. You can say मैं फौज में हूँ, मैं फ्रंट लाइन में हूँ, मैं अफ्रीका में रेड क्रॉस में हूँ. It has its difficult. I'm not.
I work with my father as well.
So you can totally understand.
Yes.
Any father, because three things deadly against the farmer bill. Because I found how a farmer can be I could be manipulated. When there's no product in the market, मेरा सारा आलू अच्छा था, हरा भी अच्छा था, कट भी अच्छा था. The minute products in the market, my 50% potato would get rejected. ये मोटा है, ये पतला है, ये छोटा है इसमें. और मेरी प्रॉब्लम ये सी कि मैं सेक्टर 10 रहंदा सी और सेक्टर 10 at that time ਹੁਣ है पर उस ਵੇਲੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸੀ 9 10 11 ਗੇੜੀ ਰੂਟ.
हाँ जी.
मैं 10 ਚ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ. ਨਾਨੀ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬ੍ਰੈਡ ਵੀ ਭੇਜਣੀ ਲੈਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਗੇੜੀ ਤੇ ਆਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਸੀ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ CJ 340 ਮਹਿੰਦਰਾ ਦੀ which is a copy of the Willys Jeep, ਲਾਲ ਰੰਗ ਦੀ, ਉਹ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਦੇਤੀ. ਹੁਣ ਲਾਲ ਗੱਡੀ on the ਗੇੜੀ route 24/7. So some people say ਬਾਬਾ ਤਾਂ ਗੇੜੀ ਤੇ ਰਹਿਣਾ.
बाबा जी और अमरजोत जी.
Amarjot.
Okay. Welcome to the podcast. Thank you so much for giving your time. It's been a pleasure जब से हम आए हैं यहाँ पे. ये second time मेरा visit. I have been very lucky to be here second time. And एक vibe ही अलग है, एक aura, एक energy अलग है. सबसे पहले मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप लोगों को बताएं कि अमरजोत सिंह बेदी जी कौन है?
अमरजोत बहुत शाय है. सो तभी 3 महीने से मैं अवॉइड कर रहा था कि ऐसा कुछ पॉडकास्ट, कभी ऐसा इंटरव्यू दिया नहीं है. छोटे शहर में रहते हैं, सो टाइम मिल जाता है अलग अलग हॉबीज डेवलप करने का. सो फोटोग्राफर टू गोल्फिंग टू बास्केटबॉल टू स्क्वॉश वाज स्पोर्ट्स oriented. Municipal councillor to president of the municipal council was a little political. Mooli to poplar to quinoa to rice and wheat, which was a staple farming that we do, was the agriculture side. Lawyer by profession, never practiced. Runs the oldest petrol pump in Himachal and one of the oldest ones in Punjab. So वो चलता हुआ है. और धीरे धीरे got into developing buildings in my own lands. So धीरे धीरे उस पे rentals start किया, try and build up this whole place. And I'm lucky, I'm a custodian of this place.
You're the 18th direct descendant.
Yes, 18th direct descendant of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. More so direct lineage from Baba Sahib Singh Ji, whose photograph you can see in the yellow. The 11th descent. He was, Khushwant Singh calls him the conscious keeper of the Sikh Empire. He's the one, अगर आप कभी भी फोटोग्राफ देखेंगे महाराजा रंजीत सिंह को तिलक लगाते हैं, अमृतसर जाएंगे, वहां उन्होंने एक एनिमेशन डॉक्यूमेंट्री है, वहां मेंशन होता है बेदी साहिब. So that's Sahib Singh Bedi, who's the one who gave the tilak to Maharaja Ranjit Singh and gave him a title. You'll be the servant to the Sikh empire. You won't be the Badshah. So that was given by him. And uske alawa, try and help the local people or whoever is needy, try and bring a change in Una socially and infrastructurally. And highly मतलब जितनी एजुकेशन कर सकता था किया था यहाँ रहकर. And so that's about it.
Apparently, I think there is a tradition in the family as well, Sanavar से education का और boarding education का. सो आई अंडरस्टैंड, ऑफ कैमरा आपसे बात की थी कि स्कूल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इतना नहीं था उस समय ऊना में, जिस वजह से आपकी जो एजुकेशन है सनावर से आपकी भी रही है, बाबा जी की भी रही है, तो ये कितना फर्क पड़ा इस बोर्डिंग एजुकेशन का कि मॉडर्नाइज वे में आप ये चेंजेस ला पाए?
बहुत फर्क पड़ा। सना एनी बोर्डिंग स्कूल हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में एक बहुत क्लियर कट लाइंस होती है। कई पेरेंट्स भेजना चाहते हैं बोर्डिंग स्कूल, बच्चों को अपने से दूर रखना चाहते हैं, और कई पेरेंट्स को लगता है कि बोर्डिंग स्कूल विल गिव एन ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ अ चाइल्ड। हमारे में दोनों चीजें नहीं थी, बिकॉज चॉइस नहीं थी। 6 साल की उम्र पे मुझे चंडीगढ़ भेजा गया था कि यहाँ का बेसिक स्कूल ABC तक सीख गए थे, लेकिन अच्छी एजुकेशन करने के लिए एक बेसिक बहुत जरूरी होता है, बेस बहुत जरूरी होता है। सो सेंट कबीर पब्लिक स्कूल में, दैट्स अनदर स्टोरी, आपको बताई थी। सो वहां एडमिशन मिली थी, सो 2 साल वहां पढ़ा था, और फिर सनार में at 8.5 एडमिशन मिल गई थी। फिनिश माई 12th there. And उससे पहले again my father also, he passed out from Sanar in 1967. My sister was head girl in Sanar. She passed out in 96. मेरा छोटा भाई अभी सर्जन है, working in Manipal, a flagship hospital. He passed out in 2000. And so now my daughter, who's 12 years old, and अब पता लगा कि कितना मुश्किल होता है as a parent, and I'm very close to my daughter, like all fathers.
Yes.
And so वो उसकी I never have call recorder on my phones, but I know उसने जिस दिन फोन करना है उस दिन कॉल रिकॉर्डर होता है, then I share the conversation with the family के इसकी कॉल आई थी. Anyway, so for me, I think आज के टाइम पे putting your child in a good boarding school has become even more necessary. It's boarding schools को अब थोड़ा सा देखना चाहिए how they can attract people, because सबसे ज्यादा समय स्क्रीन्स पर निकल रहा है बच्चों का. एटलीस्ट सनार की मैं बात कर सकता हूँ, वहां स्क्रीन टाइम बिल्कुल भी नहीं अलाउड. ठीक है, वहां अभी भी मोबाइल वो फोन है जो नंबर डायल करके आप अपने पेरेंट को फोन करते हैं, वहां मोबाइल फोन तक नहीं. सीनियर क्लासेस में थोड़ा बहुत है. कंप्यूटर यूसेज ओनली इन लाइब्रेरी और रोबोटिक्स के,
अदरवाइज कोई पर्सनल,
देयर इज नो पर्सनल devices at all. So no Instagram, no Facebook, no whatever you're thinking of. I think वो सबसे बड़ी चीज थी जो was a deciding factor. Second thing is, बड़ी cities में if you start calculating कितना time लगता है, because हमारे time पे we were able to, I'm 47 now, so at our time many parents in our generation were not so actively involved in our upbringing. स्कूल भेजते थे, थोड़ा बहुत होमवर्क करा देते थे, शायद ट्यूशन का भी हो जाता था. बट आजकल सब पेरेंट्स चाहते हैं कि मेरा बेटा बेटी टेनिस प्लेयर बने, या टीटी करे, या क्रिकेट खेले, फुटबॉल खेले, स्विमर बने, जिमनास्ट बने. सो उसके लिए म्यूजिशियन बने, इंस्ट्रूमेंट में कुछ माहिर हो, और उसके लिए पेरेंट्स को बहुत अपना समय टाइम डिवोट करना पड़ता है. सो सुबह उठता है बच्चा, कई बच्चों को तो सुबह ही लेकर जाया जाता है कोचिंग के लिए, फिर स्कूल के बाद लंच के बाद क्लासेस, होमवर्क, गो टू स्लीप, एंड दैट थिंग स्टार्ट. सो आई फाउंड कि चाइल्डहुड ही खत्म हो गया, एंड एवरीबडी वांट्स टू मेक द नेक्स्ट स्टार इन देयर चाइल्ड. एवरीवन वांट्स टू मेक अ स्टार, डू वेल इन स्टडीज. कट ऑफ्स आर गोइंग एट 99.8. मेरे को तो 78% मिला था 12th में. I was happiest on this planet. I think my family celebrated at 78. And but keeping that in mind, a school like Sana for me has become, वो जो टाइम आप बच्चे के साथ स्पेंड कर रहे हो या नहीं कर रहे हो, गाड़ी में बिठाना, टेनिस खेलना, गाड़ी से यहाँ जाना, ट्रैफिक जैम्स. If you start calculating how much of that time your child is spending in a car, it's taking away years of your life. And third, the influence, a daily influence of what we see on TV, what we are seeing on hamare phones, mobiles, reels. Children are watching kids reels and suddenly you come across something which is not appropriate, and keeping no one's able to keep away. कितनी बारी आप फोन ले लोगे, वो अपने दादाजी के फोन पे चले जाएंगे, उसके लिए सर्वेंट के फोन पे चले जाएंगे. So it's everywhere around us and we can't stop it. And children coming ke aap, I've heard stories in Delhi, Papa, why don't we have a Mercedes at age of 4?
Yeah, this is happening actually. Yeah.
Right. So what I like about a school like where I came from was we were not allowed even Nike shoes. You had a choice, Bata or Power.
Uniformity honi chahiye.
They did not allow money. Now तो they don't even allow tuck. कि किसी के उस समय Kit Kat and a Tobler was a big deal. They did not serve that. You were not allowed. So that everybody should grow up in an environment that people. I didn't know what caste was till I joined politics in Himachal. Abhi bhi, I don't think any child will know what it is. But here it's in your face. I had Muslim friends, I had Buddhist friends, I had Christian friends. We all grew up together. We all got punishments together. And that is what I wanted my children to go through, which was very clear. No screen time, no travel time. So she has early morning, jo bhi karti hai, PT, etc. You have your classes, you have your hobbies. Even in your classes, you have hobbies. So if you've taken tabla, so between your classes, you go for a 45-minute class of tabla. If you've taken painting, you're going for painting. If you've taken clay modeling, you're going for clay modeling. And then you're not traveling. And when you're even walking, आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ बातें करते, interacting, you're going from one field to another, and that is something you only realize when you get out of that school. All my friends, we have such a close bond. I'll give you an example. A friend of ours, we got to know that he's had an heart attack. And group pe ala, he's not done, whatever, needed money. And they needed, say, I think 7 lakh rupees for that. The money was collected in less than 9 seconds.
9 seconds?
It was like, thak, thak, I'll give this. So that was, eventually he didn't need it because they managed it in the family. But that's the kind of bonding that we grew up in, that kind of a school. And I find my son he was 8 years old, will go in 2 years' time. My daughter went last year prep school. So education for me, तालीम आप कहीं से भी ले सकते हो. कोई हार्वर्ड में पढ़ रहा है, कोई लोकल कॉलेज में पढ़ रहा है. बट जो ओवरऑल आपकी डेवलपमेंट है ऑफ बीइंग वेरी वेरी सेंसिटिव टू एवरीथिंग अराउंड यू, आई थिंक अ बोर्डिंग स्कूल वो बहुत देता है. मतलब इट केटर्स टू दैट.
ये आपने बात बिल्कुल सही बोली कि सेंसिटिविटी हमारी कम हो रही है. वी हैव बिकम वेरी कॉम्पिटिटिव. इवन वी एज पेरेंट्स वी हैव बिकम वेरी कॉम्पिटिटिव फॉर अ चिल्ड्रन. जैसे हॉबीज की बात की आपने कि हॉबीज
शब्द नहीं मिलता.
हाँ जी.
Nobody says the word hobbies. Nobody mentions the word picnic anymore.
Yes, that's very true.
So second thing what I like about the school is आपको छुट्टी मिलेगी, a little summer holiday, little winter vacation. फिर उसके बाद आपको ये जो हमारे नेशनल हॉलीडेज है वहां छुट्टी मिलेगी. लॉन्ग वीकेंड के लिए आप ढूंढेंगे कब लॉन्ग वीकेंड में. आप शायद बिजी होंगे उस दिन. सो हियर यू गोना गेट 1.5 महीना इन समर and 2.5 महीने in winters. The child is with me throughout. So we go for picnics, we travel. This time we go, okay, हमने इस बारी हम गाड़ी चला के ले जाएंगे, hopefully this summer. जो भी है, you can plan out that stuff with your child. And that getting exclusive time with your child, no school, nothing, with no distractions, is also something which I appreciated as a child, and I hope my daughter does that also.
That's very well said. So you come from a lineage which is, I think Guru Nanak Dev Ji is the founder of Sikhism, and Baba Bedi. So ये एक lineage है और एक बहुत बड़ी lineage है. पूरे एक तरह से revolutionize किया था गुरु नानक देव जी ने. तो being the direct 18th descendant, कुछ आपको प्रेशर कभी फील होता है कि दैट
बचपन से जी इट्स समटाइम्स यू फील यू लिव अ डबल लाइफ, बिकॉज एक आप अपने लिए जीते हो और एक आप परसेप्शन के लिए जीते हो. लॉट ऑफ स्टफ, डूज एंड डोंट्स. सो इट्स अ लेगेसी, राइट? सो आपको अगर पता हो कि आपका एक लेगेसी चली आ रही है और हमारी लेगेसी थोड़ी सी अलग हो जाती है. आई नो इफ यू नो लिटिल बिट ऑफ द, आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन लिटिल हिस्ट्री ऑफ दिस फैमिली.
प्लीज.
सो जहां हम अभी रह रहे हैं, दिस यूज्ड टू बी द लेडीज हवेली. लेडीज मींस किसी के मे बी हस्बैंड हैज डाइड, द भुआ अनमैरिड, so they would live in this haveli, and this is almost 320 years old where we live. And so when Guru Gobind Singh Ji was in Anandpur Sahib, tab ek revolution, the biggest revolution of converting Sikh into a Khalsa का एक idea था. And उसमें Baba Kaladhari ji was the 9th direct descendant of Guru Nanak Dev ji. उनको गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी ने बुलाया था
डेरा बाबा नानक
वहां से, और अनंतपुर साहब गए थे. एंड लोगों ने उनके भी पांव छुए. डायरेक्ट डिसेंडेंट थे और सीनियर मोस्ट बेदी थे. एज में गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी से बड़े थे. और सो उनको लगा कि गुरु की बेदवी हो रही है. सो लंबी कहानी है कौन सी विलेज पे गए, बट फाइनली यहाँ आकर सेटल हो गए जहां हम ठहर रहे. और यहाँ एक गुरुद्वारा है जो अब एसजीपीसी ने टेक ओवर किया है, जहां बाबा कलाधारी जी और गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी आके मिलते थे. और कई हिस्टोरियंस का मानना है कि द ब्लूप्रिंट ऑफ खालसा क्या होगा, क्या क्या चीजें होगी उसमें, वाज काइंड ऑफ आइडियाज वर शेयर्ड एट गुरुकुला. एंड ऑल्सो उनको एक वर मिला था गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी से कि जो मेरे अधूरे काम हो गए वो आपका पुत्रा ग्रैंडसन विल फिनिश. सो बाबा कलाधारी जी's grandson was Baba Sahib Singh. Historically, I think people should know about him, should read about him. I'm not going to go into detail. He was unofficially, you can call it officially, call it Rajguru of the Sikh Empire in a way. Protected Maharaja Ranjit Singh at a very young age, where there was certain plans of when his Maharaja Ranjit बहुत young उम्र में उनके father की death हुई थी. So his Maharaja Ranjit Singh's mother was a believer in this family. And then you have on the other side a kingmaker, and then you have Ankhi Baba, as Baba Bikrama Singh is called, who was offered by the British. 117 villages की जगीर थी इस हाउस के पास उस समय. एंड इनको जब ऑफर आया था ऑलमोस्ट 3 लाख रुपीज एनुअल पेंशन का, एंड ठुकराना उस समय ऐसे अमाउंट को इन 1847, आज की वैल्यू यू कैन जस्ट पुट as many zeros as you want. And then leading from the front with Baba Maharaj Singh and some hill kings, revolt, the second Anglo-Sikh war, losing it and getting life imprisonment, 14 saal inko kaid mili, dying in prison. And then ek document tha which I think after partition it got lost, which said supposedly the governor had written, it is a mention of it in the Gazette, but the governor had written to DC Husharpur ki give Bedi family enough they can eat 3 meals a day, not enough to revolt again. So then Baba Sujan Singh was given part of this किला जो हमारे अस्तबल थे, आज वो पुलिस स्टेशन है, जो हमारे बाबा जी के मिनिस्टर थे उनकी अब ट्रेजरी वाली हवेली है, this and that. And the actual house which is called the रंगीन महल, वो उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया गया था विद डायनामाइट. एंड इंडियन सोल्जर्स थे और जैसे जैसे आए, तो 330 साल पुराना गुरुद्वारा है यहाँ. द ओनली गुरुद्वारा विच इज, इफ यू टेक अ शूट ऑफ इट, इट्स स्टिल मेंटेन्ड इन द ओल्ड स्टाइल. नहीं तो आजकल हमारे एक आदत पड़ गई है गुरुद्वारों को तोड़कर वहां मार्बल लगा देना, सुंदर बना देने. बट वी ट्राई टू मेंटेन इट एज अ ऐतिहासिक साइट. एंड एट द सेम टाइम पीपल से दिस इज योर्स, एंड आई रियलाइज्ड, आई आस्क्ड देम अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, जो चीज मैं बेच नहीं सकता वो मेरी नहीं है. सो अगर मैं इस चीज को बेच नहीं सकता, इसका मतलब आई एम जस्ट अ केयर टेकर. सो आई हैव बीन बोर्न इन दिस फैमिली एज अ केयर टेकर. आई एम एन 18th descendant. I have educated enough. I am a lawyer by profession. But my greatest fear is one day when I have to take over we are not sons. We do not claim to be sons. At a very young age, people touch my feet. I push them away. I'm 47. I still push them away. It's their feeling. India has that thing of matha tekna and this and that. So usko I can't take away, but I avoid it. If somebody is touching, I hold their hands, I shake hands with them, I try and hug them before they can. But that's my way of this thing. And I do a lot of part when somebody touches my feet, otherwise I forget to do this thing. But what I found amazing in this place was ki at a very young age, I realized if you're born in an influential family and you do not use that influence for doing whatever little change you can bring among the society or people around you, then it's a waste of a life. Then you should have been born just like everybody else without any legacy, without any this thing, and live a good life and enjoy yourself. But 24/7 thinking about lots of, how to bring a change in the thing. It's a full-time job.
No, it's actually what you're saying. It's not easy as it sounds like, and especially when the era has changed, things have
बहुत
changed.
किंतु परंतु ये कहाँ से बाबे बन गए. If I buy a decent car, ये तो गोलक का पैसा होगा. Even we have that in our mind. But I've done well. My petrol pump's the highest selling in this thing. Why it became highest selling? It's got the best toilets. So all my life we travel a lot. So my sister and my mother would never get a toilet. Yeah, तब hotels भी नहीं थे, malls भी नहीं थे, हवेली भी नहीं थी, whatever. So we were always, journeys used to be based on where is the closest toilet, right? So I said, I can't keep complaining, let me start. So I decided to make the best toilet possible at a petrol pump. And I'm not joking. From something like selling 2,500 liters of petrol, I sell 8,000 liters of petrol based on my toilet. Because people come and I even have a little extra deta. Okay, I have a little quote in that. You've tried our toilets, they're good. Try our fuel also, you'll get a better average. Okay, so this is some little things I picked up. And it's worked well, yeah.
So where is it exactly on which?
It's in Una. It's right in the heart of Una.
Okay, the one which is right in the center.
1961 में खोला था मैं दादाजी ने. We got 3 petrol pumps of Caltex that time, only for our own farms. नहीं तो हमें diesel रोपड़ से लेकर आना पड़ता था. So this was के अपने farm के लिए. I remember I still have bills, 0.17 paisa petrol and 0.9 paisa diesel. That's like you can't even think of. It became a business for us. Yes, so Babaji selling oil. And that time I believe petrol pump owners used to be looked down upon. They were called telis. So I think my Dadaji revolutionized this also, that business is business. It's like farming and selling my own oranges on the road is a business. It's okay.
Yes, that's another great story you shared, that you have done some farming as well, and it was done very passionately. And
I still do. So, but see, I'll tell you something, Joe, I have realized in my life, and I hope my father doesn't watch this, but the toughest job in the world is a son working with his father. You can say मैं फौज में हूँ, मैं फ्रंट लाइन में हूँ, मैं अफ्रीका में रेड क्रॉस में हूँ. It has its difficult. I'm not.
I work with my father as well.
So you can totally understand. Yes. Any father, because 3 things. Egos are involved of the father usually. The son wants to bring a change. The father is content. The son may have ambition, the father will be content. Very few places you see, unless I've seen in Gujaratis, they have this tendency of moving forward as in their business is concerned.
Because there is an age gap as well. And
there's an age gap. So
they have lived their life in a way.
They've lived their life, but also they're also comfortable in their life.
Yes.
So I wanted cash crops. I calculate per acre, per year, plana dimkana. My father said, kanak ugani hai, chona ugana hai. ठीक है. Babaji is a mechanic by heart. For fun, he could take a tractor engine apart and put it back together and time himself.
Wow.
Right. अपनी गाड़ी, always a second-hand car. As a childhood, हमने पूरा time ही mechanics के पास बिताया था. अच्छे parties पे जाना, but we had to stop at mechanical engine में कोई problem आ गई है. Anyway, so for farming, when I got into it, I was given a 9-acre farm and sprays. I understood. Then I got into the thing, why are we spraying? Why are we using DAP, diammonium phosphate? Why are we using MOP? Why is nitrogen important, etc.? And this education, I think, should be made mandatory in schools. Because, in fact, I want to talk about that also. There is another topic that should be. But anyway, so I realized the top farmers a lot of top farmers in Ludhiana district, etc. They have no idea why they're putting it. They know कि मैं 3 बैग डालूंगा मेरी एवरेज इतनी आएगी, मैं 2 बैग इसकी डालूंगा मेरी एवरेज इतनी आएगी. And a lot of great agriculturists, progressive agriculture will try and help them out, but eventually just give up on that.
Actually, most of the time, what I felt is कि लोग ज्यादातर चीजें देखा देखी करते हैं.
100%.
They don't think about it.
But time, I agree, but it's anyways, you can't change the mindset. There's everything is dekha dekhi, sheep mentality as we call it. But a lot of youngsters are not even going towards agriculture anymore.
Mm-hmm.
People are happily selling the agricultural lands and going abroad and ready to work and drive a truck or something like that. But it's a better life now, if you think about it. Nobody appreciates the time that you get and the quality that you can get in that time if you can make it happen. But that running away from agriculture, running away from living in a smaller town or village. And for me, agriculture became, how do I make money from it? And there was this gentleman, Mr. Bedi, Anup Singh Ji, he came first from New Zealand. He was one of those most amazing human beings. He was a person who brought a revolution in New Zealand where potato farming, etc. was concerned. So he asked me, why do you want to grow potatoes? I said, because I will do this thing with it. He says, no, you want to grow potatoes because you want to make money. So if you want to make money, you have to work backwards. Where will you sell it? How much will you going to get it? So I did potatoes with Pepsi for 15 years. That's why I was deadly against the farmer bill, because I found how a farmer can be I could be manipulated. When there's no product in the market, मेरा सारा आलू अच्छा था, हरा भी अच्छा था, cut भी अच्छा था. The minute products in the market, my 50% potato would get rejected. ये मोटा है, ये पतला है, ये छोटा है, this and that. So I won't get into that. That's all politics. But on this thing of it, I just felt that farmer, change in farming is required. Laws are required, but you have to think a little bit more from the farmer side also, as with the corporate side, mix of the two. I'm being very diplomatic right now. And so I did quinoas. Pepsi brought in a plant called Hamlin, which was a seedless musambi. I was the first one. Let me grow it. So I grew that. फिर मैं देखा मार्केट में जाता था, मेरे को 7 रुपए मिलते थे. यहाँ मेरा आलू जाता था यहाँ से at 8 rupees a kg to आजादपुर मंडी मेरे खर्चे पे, और वो somehow 7 रुपए से वसंत विहार पहुंचते पहुंचते 40 रुपए किलो हो जाता था.
तभी MSP की बात शायद होती है.
That's forget MSP. This is आज के टाइम पे बात करो, अभी के टाइम पे. How is it कि मैं सब कुछ खर्चा मेरा है. I can understand middleman है. I can understand जिसने पूरी बोरी ली है शायद उसकी वेस्टेज होगी. But how does a product which has cost, I'm getting 7 rupees and it reaches 40 rupees in Vasant Vihar from Azadpur Mandi to this thing. This is something that I just could. In fact, that same aloo goes to a mall, into a beautiful little shop, and you're getting it from an X price. So I said, let me sell directly. So मैं कीनू उगाता था, कीनू तोड़ता था, और एक बंदा रोड पे बैठाया होता था, एक पेट्रोल पंप बैठाया होता था. आलूज की भी people started making fun of me. They look at them, then they have no dearth of land and they're rich, whatever. And when I came here, this house was asset rich, but assets had no value because land suddenly in the last 15 years has reached where I remember Mullapur 2-2 लाख कोई पूछता नहीं था वहां की लैंड को. आज वहां एक स्क्वायर फुट नहीं मिलती. So same thing with this, but had no liquidity. There was no money in this thing. So I think in that sense, my aim in life became, let me get liquidity into the family. I'm also very scared of too much money because I've seen too much money can have this thing. But so I stopped doing the quinoa on my own because it became too much. Her third person would come and comment on, why do you need to? What is wrong with you? ठीक है. So anyway, so
you जैसे ये इतनी पुरानी हवेली है and it's a huge property. Maintenance is a big challenge. It
costs us almost $1.5 lakh annually just to cut the grass in this property, just to keep it. There's this thing. It's that. So it is tough. It's a white elephant, but it's also historical heritage. And one day I want to open a museum here. And my mother tells me the story. All India Radio ke koi aaye the yahan. And that time there was a lot of comparison between this family and other families like ours, and how well they are doing, etc., and how they're living now in cities and fancy places. और आप अभी भी ऐसे पुराने घर में छत्ते चोती थी, एक कमरे से दूसरे कमरे में जाना, पैसा ओनली आफ्टर वीट हार्वेस्ट के बाद पैसा आना, सो एक छत रिप्लेस करनी, धीरे 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 यू ब्रिंग इट. सो मम्मा ने भी ऐसी बात की, हाउ डू यू कीप दिस थिंग? So he turned around and says, that time my mother was just newly married, 4-5 years हुए थे. He says, "तिये, जो थोड़े कोल है ना, वो किसी कोल नहीं है. A broken killa is proof that something did take place. You can distort the history, but it has been destroyed. The remnants are there. The gurdwaras, they are there. The main Asthan, Baba Sahib Singh Da, was built by Baba Beer Singh. And Singh himself, with his hands, he's one of the greatest saints, but he built it. So that's something that we have inherited, and we leave it for its public. Or Una is one of the nicest places, but Punjabis call us Himachalis, Himachalis call us Punjabis, so it's a very middle of nowhere. And
when Punjab and Himachal,
we were Punjab till the 60s, 70s, whatever. In 60s, I think we went to Himachal. And so we living in that place where you have to maintain it just to ensure that it's a legacy. Na? It's something that we have to, if somebody comes and asks questions, we get children from Oxford, we get children from Cambridge who stay 3 days with us, 10 days with us, 15 days, a month with us. And they roam around, they take photographs of the place, they do a little historic, they refer to a lot of books that we have. So it's something that you have to sort of dikhana bhi padega, कि it's nice, it's worth coming here, etc. So it's not that we make anything from that, but it's something, I think everything cannot be.
Actually, what I personally feel is, because last time also when I was here, went to the Gurdwara Sahib, the vibes this place has, it's unexplainable. Especially when you meditate, you realize that, and it's a very different, unexplainable thing. पर अभी भी बहुत लोगों को यहाँ का उना साहब का नहीं पता. ये क्या एक रीजन है कि ये प्रॉपरली लोगों तक नहीं पहुंच पाया? जैसे
So I'm going to quote somebody who I respect a lot.
जी.
He's a gentleman called Harinder Veer ji in Canada.
जी.
There are few people I had the privilege of meeting. He's one of them. And he basically, I'm going to take this into a little different tone. He basically explained to me in one of the workshops he conducted in Chandigarh. And so we were over this thing that each guru, at least the first 5 gurus, they all established towns, right? And each town welcomed seekers. Seekers are somebody who wants to, you're a seeker, you visit places, you want to know more about, you ask questions about that place. So that's one side of it. Second side of it, this family is very scared of fame, because we've also realized any legacy that lasts a long time, it needs to be working from the back and not come in the limelight, because the minute you're in the limelight, thousands of questions are asked. Not that we do anything wrong, or we at least try not to do anything. It's just that there is a lot of uncalled for questions in which you can get stuck in answering. And there are a lot of questions about our families, the Bediyans, the guruship not being given to the children, going to somebody else. There are a lot of questions about how some Bedis or some guru kids of different gurus have behaved. Some are fantastic, some have lived like a normal this thing, but a person living a normal life also is asked, oh, you're from that family, how can you be like this? Right? If I buy myself a Pajero, questions are asked. So you stay away from that. And end of the day, it's all about marketing. Do I want to market this place? If I want to market it, I can give you a list which nobody else has. Like that gentleman had put it, what I have, no one else has. But we don't want to market it. I want people to come here who genuinely want to learn something, who unka thoda sa मन होना चाहिए कि ऐसा भी होता है और ऐसा कंपैरिजन मिल जाए उनको. एंड drawing attention to yourself is बैल मुझे मार. It's as simple as that.
No, in a way you have summed it very well कि आप क्या चाह रहे हैं, आप शायद नहीं, बट जैसे बाबा साहिब सिंह जी का जो अगर जितनी हिस्ट्री, मैं I'll be very honest, मुझे पहले नहीं पता था, और जब मैंने पढ़नी शुरू की, सुननी शुरू की, क्योंकि आजकल पॉडकास्ट का जमाना है.
So Baba Sahib Singh had a standing 14,000 Nihang Dal force with him all the time.
That's like amazing.
He is the one who told he had a falling out with Maharaja Ranjit Singh because इन्होंने कहा था सतलुज ट्रीटी साइन मत करो, ब्रिटिश सतलुज ट्रीटी तोड़ेंगे. And ब्रिटिश ने तोड़ा और पंजाब को एनेक्स किया. पंजाब was the last one to fall.
Yes.
Right. Because you started trusting. You had an army. Let's take them on. Could have taken them on at that time. Would have lost. But उसके बाद में क्या मिला? Right. And then in 47, Punjab, the nicest part of Punjab was divided. Was given to Pakistan. Nobody took a stand for that time. Now again, what happened? Why the guruship was not given to the son? Why at partition Gandhi ji did not take a stand for Punjab? Why when partition was happening and people were getting butchered, why a politician let us down? I wasn't there, yeah. Neither were you. We can learn, you can punish me for the history. But I wasn't there. I am not like that. I would, maybe at that time, I would have done the same thing. Who am I to this thing? So it's all comes down to a fact that how are you living today and what can you do? Can you be inspirational to people? Can you live your own life? There's nothing wrong in both.
Yes.
I can, this thing. It's just that my father saw कि बहुत बेदीज, बहुत सोडीज, बहुत old time families, कोई अपने शहरों में रहना नहीं चाहता. छोटे है, nothing to do. So he found a good way कि municipal council में फेंक दो. So that's another thing. But anyway, so just it's a matter of keeping the legacy alive, and that's I think 24/7.
That's 24/7. Yeah, that's actually very true. It's 24/7. And
my father never told me not to drink. I'm bringing up all the subjects which people this thing never told me not to drink. I never did. My friends also in college they said, सबसे ज़्यादा peer pressure होता है college में. Everybody is trying to pick up their first beer and the first. अब तो school में ही होता है. But anyway, my time I was lucky with my kind of the friend circle I had, and by the first year it used to be 3 beers and a nimbu pani. So my nimbu pani would come, or fresh lime would come, whatever. So I was very lucky, and my friends protected me. All of them. They felt personal, and even now I'm very lucky. Whether I found friends in golf community, all of them who I'm close to, they're like my really, they don't even realize what they give me, because I live in a place which I have no friends in Una, never had, because Una में ना आपको बाबा जी करके देखते हैं लोग. मैं कोशिश करता हूँ, but that respect is there. I can't take it away from them. I don't know how to change that. So उसमें then you look outside for friends, this thing. So luckily golf gave me that little peace of mind. I don't play that much. I practice a lot. So मेरे लिए it's a little yoga kind of a thing, meditation, where I can chip or I can putt for hours just after. And I do it at 11 o'clock because in my life, जो सूफी हैं, वो 6 बजे फोन करेंगे thinking हम बाबा जी I should be up in the morning. जो शराबी है वो रात को फोन करेंगे thinking that they can call me at 12 o'clock night also. So it becomes a tough thing to balance, but it's manageable.
No, but as what you're saying is that everyone is different and everyone is been, you need to be yourself to be the best version of yourself, I think.
Absolutely. Yeah. I talk, I do a lot. I'm currently on the RTE, Right to Education Council of Himachal. So jahan chote, we have a very good minister right now, educated minister, Rohit. And jahan we can give him some advice, he does listen, but there is a lot of system in place, etc.
Uniform ko leke
but more than that, what I realized is, like I said, क्रिश्चियन स्कूल्स में अभी भी होता है शायद, बट अ सिंपल क्लास ऑफ मैनर्स, moral building, toilet usage, teaching about empathy, which is now gone. Nobody will relate anymore to the other person. It's all become self. So empathy is something which is, I think, the most important thing for a good politician. The politician can make money, right? There is no doubt about it. The democracy is catering to that. But if he's making money, he can do good also, na? But when you get so obsessed with only this part of it, this disappears. And the gap is only filled by that word empathy. Okay? जब आपके पास कोई आता है, can you think how difficult that person's life is? If you do, you automatically will try and bring a change. There is nothing that can stop you. And we all have a certain period of time where you've had your fun and games in school, college, etc. And then you come into suddenly thrown into this world, which is very different. And I remember I used to keep laughing at people who were some college mates of mine from SFI. They grew up thinking of an equal world. I kind of think Sikhi is a lot like that, everyone's barabar, पंगत में बैठना, सबने इकट्ठा, चाहे आप राजा हो चाहे रंग हो, आप सभी बैठेंगे इकट्ठे. लेकिन then eventually when those same kids are thrown into the open world, they either join, mostly they go to Congress, and a lot of them join BJP. Nowadays they're joining BJP. So it's something because they suddenly realize that kind of thought doesn't exist in the real world. And over a period of time, I think you have seen the might of the USSR breaking up into fragments of these companies, China becoming more capitalist than communist, etc.
Yes.
So it's something which I also feel in today's world, Sikhi needs to, we already have everything that is required to make a good human being. Let me just put it that way. Sikhi makes a good human being. If you follow Sikhism, you will become a good human being because you're saying kirt karo, vand chako, you're doing everything about naam japo, thinking of difficult times of other people, helping them, langar seva, ki koi bhukha na sowe, seva karo, of all kinds of seva, haspatala de vich to leke to your own this thing. We already have that base. But where do we need to go next? And in today's world, we are talking to various people quietly. A lot of people just give up. But I think in my sense, a lot of people say, "Tusi je Baba ji banoge, ki karoge?" I don't think pata nahi discourse karange ya ki bolange ki nahi bolange. But ek gal mainu pata hai, we have to aisi cheez nu leke, seva bhavna nu leke, in the modern world, schools, educations, making them ask me a direct question. I used to, when I was a president municipal council here, मैनू पत्रकार खुले आम पूछदे सी और मैं जवाब देंदा सी. And that's the most important feature of my growth and a message to the district.
And you became a MC at the age of 23, I suppose.
So my father just said कि ये मुंडा हाथों ना निकल जाए, ठीक है, गोल्फ शुरू कर देती है इन्ने, चंडीगढ़ जाना चाहता है, सो इन्हें कितना फंसाना है. So that time I was very interested in law. I think my greatest regret was instead of doing BCom, which is another story, I got good marks and I got into Stephens in Delhi, but I got BA pass. So my parents felt कि BA pass, नहीं, and my father felt कि कल्ले सिगे. My grandfather had passed away, so he was handling the Gurgaddi, handling the farms, handling the businesses. So he felt that boy needs to be close by. So he says, maximum Chandigarh. Okay, so I got into DAV, good marks. My entire batch, a lot of my friends from school, उन्होंने admission GCM 11 inch में.
Okay.
So मैं fees भी देती सी DAV. So then I went to GCM, मैं उठे admission लेती. ठीक है, so I wanted to be with them, which was good fun. मैं rally driving सीखी उठे चंडीगढ़ विच. और मेरी प्रॉब्लम ये सी कि मैं सेक्टर 10 रहंदा सी और सेक्टर 10 at that time ਹੁਣ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਉਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸੀ 9 10 11 ਗੇੜੀ ਰੂਟ
हाँ जी
ਮੈਂ 10 ਚ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਨਾਨੀ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬ੍ਰੈਡ ਵੀ ਭੇਜਣੀ ਲੈਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਗੇੜੀ ਤੇ ਆਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਸੋ ਡੈਡ ਬੌਟ ਮੀ ਤਦ ਸਭ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਪਸੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ CJ 340 ਮਹਿੰਦਰਾ ਦੀ which is a copy of the Willys Jeep ਲਾਲ ਰੰਗ ਦੀ ਉਹ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਦੇਤੀ ਹੁਣ ਲਾਲ ਗੱਡੀ on the ਗੇੜੀ route 24/7 so some people say baba the gedi te rehna so then I used to park my car used to take the Peck way park my car behind the market walk to my college or bread we leni used to park in one of the gullies there used to be an auntie of ours I used to park in front of her
must have
I used to walk into the market ke koi mainu ye na bole ki gedi te honda then I used to have this cycle with this Hero Hawk I should love taking that in Chandigarh I felt this thing so that was
I had a BSA Mac one
and then I picked up golf from I used to go for squash and basketball barish ho rahi seen the back lawn of a friend he says aaj tin dikhanda game I was 19 anyway so when I came to Una my father was very worried कि मैं नहीं रहूंगा इत्थे दोस्त नहीं है कुछ करन नहीं है internet भी over याद है that and then that kind of internet and anyway so BSNL so anyway so I fought my first election from my father's seat. My father was a municipal councillor and a president for almost 20-25 years of Una. And but times had changed. Till now, there's obviously respect. So I won my first election from a village. And winning from a village is very difficult because now ਉੱਥੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਚਾਚਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਤਾਈ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ ਭੂਆ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ ਮਾਮਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਉੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੜਨਾ and I've never fought an election not once not my single worker ਔਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਊਨੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਪੁੱਛ ਲੋਗੇ ਕਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੋਟ ਆਪਣੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੰਗੀ
ਕੰਮ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ
ਮੈਂ ਕੰਮ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੈਕਗਨਾਈਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦਾ but people did give me that respect and they voted me in ਠੀਕ ਹੈ that was at 2000 Second election, I stood from the same place. That taught me what anti-incumbency is. It taught me which people I should have kept with me. जात ਦਾ ਬੜਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ villages ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਨਾਲ ਸਿਰਫ ਜੱਟ ਤੁਰਦੇ ਪਏ ਆ one community may not vote for me. I learned that the hard way. I tried to do as much as I could in my own capacity as a municipal councillor. Municipal councillor ਸਭ ਤੋਂ lowest level politics ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਗੰਦੀ politics ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਮੱਝ ਸੂਈ ਹੋਏ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਭੁੱਲ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਉਹ ਨਾਰਾਜ਼ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਐਂਡ so second election I won by a thin margin against a youngster who was a SFI worker and SFI ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਖਾਸੀਅਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਉਹ ਪੈਸੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਖਰਚਦੇ ਉਹ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਘਰ ਨਾਲ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਬੰਦੇ ਨਾਲ in touch ਹੋਣਗੇ and that taught me how to fight an election like the communist like the ajkal kanhaiya da rola on that this the JNU style where you are in touch you make your own posters with your hands you don't spend money you don't show it works well I think now things have changed to be honest then Himachal ne 2010 ਵਿੱਚ experiment ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ direct election ਕਰਕੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਵੋਟ ਪਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਬਜਾਏ where you vote for a municipal councillor ਔਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਮਿਊਨਿਸਪਲ ਕਾਉਂਸਲ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ 12 ਇਹਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ 8 ਇਹਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ 6 ਇਹਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਇੱਕ ਬੈਸਟ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਾਉਂਸਲਰ ਵਾਈਸ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਔਰ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਇੱਕ ਹਰ ਬੰਦਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਵੋਟ ਪਾਏਗਾ ਸੋ ਦੈਟ ਮੀਨਸ ਦਿਸ ਵਾਸ ਲਾਈਕ ਅ ਮਿਨੀ MLA
ਓਕੇ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਗਾਟ ਰਿਜ਼ਰਵਡ ਫॉर ਅ ਵੂਮਨ I don't belong to any party I believe I'm a firm believer ਚੰਗਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵੋਟ ਪਾ ਦਿਓ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਆਈਡੀਓਲੋਜੀ ਬਦਲਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖ ਲਿਆ ਚੰਗਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਵੋਟ ਪਾ ਦਿਓ ਚਾਰ ਮਾੜੇ ਹੈ ਵੋਟ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਪਾਓ ਪਰ ਜੇ ਚਾਰ ਮਾੜੇ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਮਾੜਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵੋਟ ਪਾ ਦਿਓ
ਸੀ ਇੰਨੇ ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਇੰਨੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਵਿਚਰ ਚੁਕੇ ਹੋ ਸੋ what I'm जिस क्वेश्चन की तरफ मैं आ रहा हूँ कि बहुत लोग मिले हर तरह के लोग मिले हैं ऐसी क्या चीज आपने सीखी है जो सारी लाइफ की लर्निंग बन गई है कि ऐसा होना चाहिए ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ऐसे लोगों से बचना चाहिए और ऐसे लोगों की कंपनी में रहना चाहिए
नहीं तुसी बच नहीं सकते ना तुसी if you're in politics ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਵੋਟ ਹੈ, ਲੇਡੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਵੋਟ ਹੈ, 18 ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਵੋਟ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ 90 ਸਾਲ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗ ਦੀ ਵੋਟ ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ ਪਾਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਦੀ ਵੋਟ ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ ਰਹੀਸ ਦੀ ਵੋਟ ਹੈ, ਵੋਟ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਹਰ ਵੋਟ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿੱਤਣਾ ਹੈ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਸੋ ਯੂ ਕਾਂਟ
ਹਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਐਮਬ੍ਰੇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਚੱਲਣਾ,
ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ। ਐਂਡ one thing from this house, like this vice president election I stood, so मैं ticket तो नहीं लड़नी because direct elections always on a symbol, so it became a BJP Congress for the first time. Normally municipal councils are never on symbols, corporation elections are on symbols, council elections are on hand pump and potty and the tika and stethoscope, that kind of symbols. So I got this opportunity to also see कि मैं करना की है। उन जो मेरा ग्रुप सी, my father's group, somehow or the other 65-70% were Congress in that group, 30% were BJP. Earlier it was just कि साडे बंदे हैं, now just because I'm close to you, now later on I find out कि चलो थोड़ी allegiance is with the Congress or yours is with BJP, that came later. So suddenly I'm stuck that I have to. So the majority was with these people. And BJP put up 2 candidates against me. And one of those candidates spent MLA jinna paisa on me. I still remember I spent 3.5 lakhs on a direct election. That guy spent 47 to 60 lakh rupees. But what I did was, मैं हाथ फाड़ के I went to 4,730 houses in that.
Every
I lost weight. I was in my head was I had a Fitbit. That Fitbit था बड़ा ज़माना सेगा. So I was doing steps also and सब कुछ चले ऐसी माने.
So how many steps did you?
I have no idea. It was crazy. 50,000, 48,000, 70,000. हो गया. And एक चाय बड़ी पीनी पैंदी है. और एक जगह नाम ही नहीं कह सकते. पहली बार यहाँ आए हो. And plus, when you are born in this family and you're visiting somebody's house, you get a lot of respect. That I saw. That puts you under pressure. Either respecting you, loving you so much, thonu dena bhi pehna hai kuch वापस. So, कई जगह I used to forget asking for my own vote only. I used to feel too cheap to ask. And but anyway, luckily, और मैं तो किते अपना symbol, मैंने तारा star मिल गया सीगा symbol. I won that election. President became a BJP person.
So the symbol was given to you or you chose it?
No, it's given.
It's
you
given.
Can't choose a symbol.
Okay, you
so
cannot.
Election Commission gives you a symbol.
Okay.
So the president became BJP. I became, and एक पत्रकार, very famous पत्रकार, now he's a good friend. He wrote कि it's a whitewash for Congress. Congress will not get a single seat. And whether call it my hard work, call it decent team, their hard work, whatever it is, we made some stupid mistakes, otherwise we would have won that election completely. But we still won 6-5.
Okay.
That close. So anyway, so then next election, again it was 2015. I again went back to my ward. And I became the president of the municipal council. I swept that election.
That's equivalent to a mayor.
That's same as a mayor. It's so you have a Nagar Panchayat, which has X number of population. Then you have a Nagar under 50,000 is your municipal council, Nagar Parishad. Above 50,000 in Himachal and 1 lakh in other cities is your corporation, your Nagar Palika.
Okay.
Right? So
this is a new learning for me as well.
Achha, okay. So this is division of this thing. And I think it's a very important thing. It's just that politicized, हर एक चीज politicize हो गई है, but this is, you are the first person in touch with the public.
Okay.
In this, right? So I became the mayor, and I had already, because of experience of 15-20 years, I realized something कि I'm not going to waste time trying to change the system. Whether there's corruption, whether this thing, I just took a decision. But I made it very clear, the funds I bring, there will be no commission on it. Very clear with my stuff. I said, फिर मेरे तो बुरा कोई नहीं. Because if I'm never going to get proof whether कोई commission दे रहा है, कोई मैनू बोल देगा, ठेकेदार मैनू कहेगा ओ फलाना बंदा इन्नी commission लेंदा है, पर जे उन्हों तुसी officially बोलोगे, उन्हें अपना career थोड़ा नहीं खत्म करना, वो कभी नहीं बोलेगा. So I realized I'm not going down. I said, so I identified where all I needed parkings. So I established something called in my head called micro parkings. जे मैनू 6 ਸਕੂਟਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਾਰਕਿੰਗ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਏ, ਮੈਂ ਉਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਵੈਲਪ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ. सड़क दी बजाय it's better to have a little khunja where 6 scooters can be parked. So नाले से गए, नाले दे नाल डस्टबिन से गए, डस्टबिन चुक के नाले नु कवर कीता, I made a car parking, which was at the DC office. Then I had decided to go by this paver muhim. ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ you'll be surprised wastage public funds ਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ in repairs and maintenance. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੜਕ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮੁਹੱਲੇ 'ਚ ਸੜਕ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ, 2 ਸਾਲ 3 ਸਾਲ ਬਾਅਦ ਉਹ ਪੁੱਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ 1 ਸਾਲ ਤੱਕ ਪੋਟ ਹੋਲਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ. Chandigarh is a very bad example. So they are a different level. It's the richest municipal corporation ever. But other cities I'm talking about. ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖੱਡਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ, ਫਿਰ 1 ਸਾਲ, ਫਿਰ ਇੱਕ ਟਾਈਮ ਪੀਰੀਅਡ ਪੂਰਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. ਮਾੜਾ ਮੋਟਾ ਰਿਪੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਚਲਦੀ ਹੈ, ਨਹੀਂ ਚਲਦੀ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ. So I decided how do I stop that? So ਮੇਰੇ ਪੈਟਰੋਲ ਪੰਪ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੇਵਰ ਲਗਵਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ. ਪੇਵਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਰੋਡ ਰੂਲਰ ਵੀ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਟਰੱਕਸ ਵੀ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਆ, ਲੀਡਨ ਟਰੱਕਸ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਆ. So I decided I'm going to use pavers. ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਬੰਦਾ ਫੜਿਆ, ਠੇਕੇਦਾਰ, government ਠੇਕੇਦਾਰ, who also has a factory of pavers. He gave me pavers cheaper than you and I can buy for our own house. So I bought pavers which cost me around 1.38% more than if I would have put cement or something. And I started this madness of converting every gully. Whether changi si, maadi si, people wrote against me, ek changi gully ko utha gaye, pavers. ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਿਊਨਿਸਪਲ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਰਿਪੇਅਰ ਮੇਨਟੇਨੈਂਸ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ,
ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਲੌਂਗ ਲਾਸਟਿੰਗ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ.
40 years.
Yes, very true.
ਕਮੇਟੀ ਦਾ if you do a detailed analysis, a small this thing like this, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਪੂਰਾ ਬਜਟ ਹੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ 7-8 ਕਰੋੜ ਰੁਪਏ ਦਾ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਚੋਂ 2-2.5-3 ਲੱਖ ਰੁਪਇਆ goes into just maintenance and all, ਸਾਡਾ 50 ਲੱਖ ਨਹੀਂ ਟੱਪਦਾ ਪਿਆ.
And honestly, in the last 5-6 years, I've seen Una building up so much.
Because it is the future of Himachal. Please make no qualms about it. मैं लोगों को भी दसना चाहता है. Let me just finish this part. So then we got into LED lighting. They came up with this scheme. I was the first one. सारे risky ये company नाल tie up करेंगे. I was the first one to raise my hand. I was the first one to send the DPR. We had something like 200-300 lights. I calculated कितना खर्चा आंदा है, divided by how much light आएगी. I managed to get 1200 lights in the city. There's not a single spot that doesn't have a LED. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਨੇਰੇ ਵਾਲੀ ਗਲੀ ਚਲ ਜਾਓ, ਉੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਅੱਜ ਲਾਈਟ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ. So little things like this, water connection ਇੱਥੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਪੰਗੇ ਵੀ ਲਿੱਤੇ, ਥੜੇ ਤੋੜਵਾਤੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ. So I gave a suggestion to every government I gave. I said stop giving this encroachment वाला ਜਿਹੜਾ system है ना. The only method, and I'm through your channel, if somebody listens to it, is you cannot have a municipal corporation truck with police, maybe an executive officer going to a place. Imagine how much money they are wasting on the dihadi, picking up somebody's ready and picking up and putting it, and 15 minutes later, 30 minutes later, either they're going to get a call ke enu chhad deo, or you'll be surprised 50 rupees, 30 rupees, 12 rupees is your penalty and he can take back the ready.
That's it, 12 rupees.
So then we finally what I had suggested was ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਫੋਟੋਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਲਓ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਨਕਰੋਚ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਚਲਾਨ ਕੱਟ ਦਿਓ, ਫ੍ਰੀ ਚਲਾਨ, ਪਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਜਾਂ ਕਾਰਪੋਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਰਸੀਦ ਲੈਣੀ ਪਏਗੀ. Second ਚਲਾਨ should be, depending on the city and town, should be monetary ਚਲਾਨ, 1000 रुपया. Second चलान should be 5000 rupees, and that 5000 should be daily. उन्ना कमाएगा नहीं जिन्ना चलान हो रहे हैं, वो अपने आप अपना सामान रख लेगा.
Exactly.
You need one guy with a camera. That's it. Online system. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਚਲਾਨ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਚਲਾਨ ਫੋਨ ਤੇ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ.
ਹਾਂਜੀ.
Same. You will finish off encroachment overnight. Take it and write. ਤੁਸੀਂ 3 ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਚਲਾਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਸਾਰੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਰੱਖ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਸਾमान.
That's a great idea.
There is no other solution. You're going to have 15 people, 6 people at a truck and fuel, picking up people's stuff and giving it and releasing it at 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees. What nonsense here.
This old system which is just not being changed.
Yeah. So it's so these are the changes that we brought. I bought in the first gym equipment. मैं ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੁਝ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਸੀ gym equipment ਲਗਾਈ ਜਾਂ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਫੋਨ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ. So they used to say ਅੱਛਾ ਇਹ ਰੇਟ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ. ऐसे नहीं, actually municipal committee वास्ते चाहिए. नहीं sir, उथे I said I guarantee you will not have to pay commission. And people are going to hang me for this. We have gym equipment and we have PlayStations which cost us top of the line, better than what might be in schools, for 3.5 lakhs. But the second lowest quotation which came was 13 lakhs.
Wow.
Those machines are 80,000 rupees. Corporations are paying 3.5 lakh rupees. But Anyway, never mind. Let's not go down that road at all.
No, there's another thing which I wanted to discuss with you about is that's a personal question as well. While growing up, I felt that Sikhism was a little imposed, and I was not learning the way it is. But off late, since last 5 years, I've been lucky to understand what Gurbani says, and it is beautiful. So I find there is a gap between what it is and what is perceived, and sometimes what is जो पहुंचता है लोगों तक, खासकर जो एक जनरेशन तक. जैसे अब मैं अपनी जनरेशन की अगली जनरेशन तक भी समझूं तो प्रॉपर जो गुरबानी कह रही वो चीज नहीं पहुंच पा रही. मुझे पर्सनली फील होता है. Where is the gap and how it can be reduced?
साडी अपनी कौम ਦੀਆਂ ਕਮੀਆਂ. There is no nice way to put it. So ਇੱਕ मैनेजमेंट स्कूल बनाना है, एक मैनेजमेंट बनाई जाती है, ओनर भी होता है, मैनेजमेंट भी होती है, मैनेजमेंट अगे स्टाफ रखता है, स्टाफ अगे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन भी रखता है और टीचिंग स्टाफ भी रखता है, राइट डाउन टू गेट कीपर भी रखता है. अगर ये मैनेजमेंट चंगी होएगी तो ये भी चंगा होएगा, ये भी चंगा होएगा, ये भी चंगा होएगा, ये भी चंगा होएगा.
Okay.
पर जे ऊपर दे विच, it's a very simple thing. Our institutions have let us down, right? And whether it's the SGPC, whether it was all your Khalsa colleges, etc., we got stuck with mediocrity and with no plan. 100 years, 50 years, we've got stuck with right now. And I'm not going to say anything controversial because कहने तो बहुत कुछ बोल सकता बंदा, सारे ने दुनिया देखी हुई है. But our institutes have let us down. We have also let us this thing down. कोई मैनू भी पूछेगा, ठीक है अपने एरिया वास्ते कर रहे हो. We do a lot. My father does a lot of प्रचार. He all the time. He's not even here. He's all the time. And our संगत is सब तो जिन्हों कहते हैं ना गरीब संगत. पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर्स ते हैगी है, टालीवाल विलेजेस, जलालाबाद दे कोल है, ख्याले दे कोल है, जैसे बिकॉज उन्हां दा आजकल दे टाइम दे विच कोई हाथ नहीं फड़दा. एंड आर इट्स अ लेगेसी एंड इट इज आर रिस्पांसिबिलिटी. गल खत्म. सो जिन्हें फड़ना होंदा है, वी आर देयर फॉर देम. बट इवन अस, इफ आई लुक एट इट, what have I also done? Or I'm going to point it at myself, right? So in the beginning, I said I'm very scared of a lot of money. Now I no longer have. I've suddenly got a goal which I've discussed with Harinder Viji, and there are a couple of Amardeep, and there are other people who are doing some great work of what you're talking about, trying to bridge this gap in a major way. Okay. But I'm again going to say, but is the Sikhi has to be taught from your own home, right? So now let's say in a kid growing up in a Sikh home, see, religion is nothing that you can choose, na? Religion is what you're born with because you're born in a family that is religious. So if you're born in a Christian family, you will become a Christian no matter what. If you're born in a Hindu family, you will become a Hindu. And very few people will change their religion later on. It's a very minuscule number. And when in your own home, your parents, your dada, your dadi are not being able to explain.
Yes.
I'm not saying, you know, a lot of parents will force their child to go for Gurdwara. They will force their child. Even my child. ਹੁਣ ਮੇਰਾ ਬੇਟਾ ਬੇਟੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਲਦੇ, ठीक है, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਚੜਦਾ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਸਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਪਿਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ. So now ਅਸੀਂ ਬੋਲੀ, my daughter started speaking, my son is still resisting, whatever reason, because ਮਾਹੌਲ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਟਾਈਪ ਦਾ. So especially in our area, in Himachal.
मैं एक क्लियर भी करना चाहता कि ਅਸੀਂ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਚ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਕਸਿਮਮ ਆਡੀਅנס ਪਹੁੰਚੇ, ਅਦਰਵਾਈਜ਼ we are very comfortable talking in Punjabi.
So uste karke us karan, anyway, so till your own homes, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦਾਦਾ ਦਾਦੀ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਦੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਲੈਰਿਟੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੇਵਾ ਸਿਖਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾਤਰ ਧੀ ਨੂੰ ਸੇਵਾ ਸਿਖਾਈ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਸਿਖਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੈ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਟ ਰੀਸੈਂਟਲੀ ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਫਿਨੋਮੇਨਨ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਇਨਫਲੂਐਂਸਰਸ ਹੈ whether it was ਸਾਡੇ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਮੂਸੇਵਾਲਾ whether it's currently Diljit or whether it is this thing Harbhajan Singh I can name 15 hockey players and I can name 15 other people ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕੌਮ ਦੇ ਪਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਰਿਅਲਾਈਜ਼ੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਨਾ ਵੋਟ ਪਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਉਹ SGPC ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਖੜ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈ ਸਿੱਖ ਰਾਈਟ ਸੈਕੰਡਲੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਨਫਲੂਐਂਸਰ ਨੂੰ ਰੱਬ ਕਿਉਂ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਰੱਬ ਬਣਨਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਹ ਖਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਤਰੇ when a politician or your let's say Akali Dal, it's supposedly a pure Sikh party, it was supposed to be brought in for reform, when they let you down then kite da dekhna hai na. So now we look at Wazir and we look at dadi rakhi hui hai, suddenly you seeing people keeping dadi, suddenly you seeing Diljit wearing a turban, people are saying okay wearing a turban is cool, which is I applaud them, I swear I applaud them, and jo wo kar sake sade adhe pracharak nahi kar sake, right? But this whole thing has to come from your own house, your own parents have to start instilling ki it's not just about ki tusi seva kar leti thoda ja tusi donation deti, it's also about empathy ki hai, intention ki hai. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ word especially when I talk in these schools and colleges it's empathy and the second thing is intention. ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਹੋ ਨਾ intention ਕੀ ਹੈ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰੋ ਉਹਦੀ ਲੱਭਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ 90% ਜਵਾਬ ਉੱਥੇ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਣਗੇ.
That's true.
Right. So these are the two things. So ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਜੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿਖਾਓਗੇ ਸਿਖਾਣੀ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਹੈ again you can't leave it to the institutes na, they anyway gone beyond your this thing, it's all corruption and jo bhi hai corruption not just about monetary, corruption means also about intellect, corruption means about priorities ki reh gayiyan todiyan. Kisi ne gal ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ let's मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਬੜਾ ਇੰਟਰਨਲ ਜਦ ਡਿਸਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਯਹੂਦੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਜੂਸ ਦਾ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਜਿਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਹੋਲੋਕਾਸਟ ਖਤਮ ਹੋਏ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਲਿਆ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਸਕੂਲ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਾੜੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਫੰਡਸ ਦਿਓ ਫਲਾਣਾ ਦਿਓ. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਥੇਰੇ ਲੋਕ ਸੀਗੇ they had so many people who were doing so well. सब तो पहला उन्होंने एक ट्रस्ट बनाया IPAC का नाम भी सुना होगा या ऐसे बनाए. उनका काम था छुपकर इतना पैसा इकट्ठा करना और गोल्स क्या है एजुकेशन मीडिया जॉब्स. अगर आप जूस में बिलोंग करते हो और आप you're from you practice you're a practicing Jew and you want to become a rabbi or you want to become this thing, they will take you to Harvard free of cost for the soul. I'm not talking about a normal, they will take you to Harvard free of cost. Every media, when Kasab, the terrorist attack hoya sega, पूरी दुनिया में इसकी बात चली थी. I met this very senior intelligence officer. He asked me, क्यों? क्योंकि यहूदियों को मारा, those 20 Jews died. Whatever numbers could be wrong, but years ago, Jews died. Hence, it was shown around the world. You think the media in America would be bothered India which ki ho raha hai? Every day somebody is dying. There's this thing. I don't think even Pulwama international press gave too much coverage. With that Kasab thing, the entire international thing, because Jews died. That's the kind of power and influence they built since the Holocaust till today, that every channel has this thing. So let's look at Sikhs. You are there for the good. मेरे ऊना में अभी भी कई फैमिलीज ऐसी है जिनका सबसे बड़ा बेटा हिंदू फैमिली जिसका सबसे बड़ा बेटा सिख बन जाता है.
Still practicing.
I met people like that. So it's something that क्यों बना है? There's something attractive to it, ना? So you will have to formalize it and give something.
घर पे बात होनी चाहिए और सही में समझाना जरूरी है.
Institutes have to take over. Start thinking slightly different. Start thinking more on moral upliftment, education, job placements. You'll have to do that. Unita, there's that famous cartoon. There are only two kinds of people. One is the shoulder te chढ़ के किसी ਨੂੰ ਉੱਪਰ ਚੜਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਖਿੱਚਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਥੱਲੋਂ ਖਿੱਚਦਾ ਹੈ ਪੌੜੀ ਤੋਂ. I'm not going to comment where we are right now.
मैं ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਚੀਜ਼ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ, ਮੇਰਾ ਪਰਸਨਲੀ ਹੈ. ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਪੂਰੇ ਕੇਸ ਰੱਖੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੈ, ਪਗੜੀ ਬੰਨੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਬਟ ਮੈਂ ਰੋਡ ਰੇਜ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਈ ਇਨਸੀਡੈਂਟਸ ਦੇਖੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਚ ਲਿਹਾਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ, ਉਮਰ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਲਿਹਾਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ. We are losing, I think ਕੁਝ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਇੱਕ ਗੈਪ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ.
The same thing what I've just told you. ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ empathy ਸਿਖਾਈ ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਸਹਾਨੁਭੂਤੀ ਅਗਰ ਸਿਖਾਈ ਹੋਗੀ, ਰੋਡ ਰੇਜ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ. I give you the biggest examples, and some hardcore wings will. I have seen people turban-tying Sikhs smoking. Okay, तेरा क्या पिया? Not for any other reason. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ realize ਕਰੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ legacy ਲੈ ਕੇ ਚੱਲੇ ਹੋਏ ਹੋ. The problem, the thing is, ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਟਰਬਨ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਪਛਾਣਿਆ ਜਾਓ. ਇੱਕ one of the reasons. ਇੱਕ ਸੀਗਾ, if you look at it from the social aspect, ਸਿਰ ਰਾਜਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਲਾਉਡ ਸੀ ਜਾਂ ਅਪਰ ਕਾਸਟ ਨੂੰ ਅਲਾਉਡ ਸੀ. ਇੱਥੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਅਪਰ ਕਾਸਟ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਰਾਜੇ ਹੈ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਔਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਰਾਜੇ ਨੂੰ ਸੀਰੀਅਸਲੀ ਲੈ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਸੀ, ਸਾਰੇ ਰਾਜੇ ਹੀ ਸਮਝਣਾ ਬੈਠ ਗਏ. I have seen certain this thing. Now, if that same child was taught, besides ਇੱਜ਼ਤ ਕਰਨੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਭਾਣੇ ਦੀ, was also taught ਕਿ ਯਾਰ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਰੱਖੋ, ਲਾਜ ਰੱਖੋ, empathy ਦੇਖੋ, start thinking of this thing. ਕਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਰੋਡ, ਮਤਲਬ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਪ ਦੀ ਲੜਾਈਆਂ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ ਯਾਰ, ਸਾਡੇ in our blood we will fight, and youngsters, ਖੂਨ ਗਰਮ ਖੂਨ, etc. But again, has to be taught at home. Yeah.
That's very true.
It starts right there. It's right there, and then the institutes take over. Home is एक पुराना एक गाना सेगा Dolly Parton da, what will baby be? It says baby's first school is the family, and one line was baby thinks God is just a swear word, never said a prayer because never been taught.
Yes, it's
right. So it's
simply clarified.
गाने दे विच उन्हें कहता है. So very good, sir.
So एक और चीज यहाँ पे anybody can come and see, and everybody, I think whoever has come here, they have seen that. गुरुद्वारा साहब है तो नाल ही हवन कुंड है.
So let's go back 300 साल पहला, जो there was a Hindu community and there was 400-500 ਸਾਲ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ Hindu community and Musliman ਦੀ community ਸੀ. ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਨਵਾਂ ਮਜ਼ਹਬ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੰਗਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਬਣੇ. ਹਾਂਜੀ. ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਪੰਥ ਔਰ ਸਿੱਖ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਹੋਇਆ. ਖਾਲਸਾ is nothing but a Sikh who's committed completely. जी. Otherwise, Khalsa is absolutely some. दाढ़ी उन्होंने भी रखी है, मैं भी रखी हुई है, सब ने. But end the way, the only thing is you're a little more committed and a little more conscious of what you have agreed to be. Otherwise, don't छको अमृत. ठीक है? वो कहते हैं ना, वो किसी ने कहा सी कि marinate किया जाता है, फिर cook होता है. So, as a Sikh, you're marinated. When you decide to be a Khalsa, then you should be able to take on, you have to realize Khalsa is a very big responsibility. You are supposed to be able to take the side of the weaker person 24/7 any time of the day. It's part of being a Khalsa. Yes. Warrior clan. Not to attack people, not to take over stuff. It was there to protect. It was there to be there to a Khalsa had to be a student, had to be a teacher, had to be a warrior in one man.
Sarv Gun Sampann. Yes.
It's
the
toughest thing on the planet Earth to be able to take up for a weaker person in today's world. And Khalsa was supposed to do that as just without thinking. ਨਿਹੰਗਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਟ੍ਰੇਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ, ਟਿਕਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਟਦੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਬ੍ਰਿਟਿਸ਼, ਵੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ ਜਿਸ ਬੋਗੀ 'ਚ ਨਿਹੰਗ ਬੈਠਾ ਉਸ ਬੋਗੀ 'ਚ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਊਗਾ. These are stories we've grown up with hearing about all this. So it's all comes down to the same as always. You kind of said it has to be. The institutes they have to think, give a thought about it. People keep saying good people nahi aenge. I was lucky because I belong to this family, but politics is dirty. And when you come into these institutes, you can't come in with kid gloves. You have to be ready to take your bashings. You have to leave your ego at the door.
The theme of this podcast is Inspire Me. Inspiring not just through stories, but inspiring through the thought process, the messages, the legacy, which has been very, very inspiring throughout. If I wasn't to cut short, khatam nahi karna tha, so I would have gone for hours right now. So, one Inspire Me mantra for everyone who wants to lead a good life, who wants to fulfill a life with full of empathy and coexist in a good way. Guru Nanak Ji da ek message de naal.
That is a question that I don't think anyone in the history of mankind has been able to answer, because I can give a lot of gyan sitting on this chair, because मैनू आज कमाई दा सोचना नहीं पै रहा. मेरा मैनेजर बैठा है, पेट्रोल पंप चला रहा है, मैनू रेंट आ रहा है. और जिस बंदे ने 24 घंटे अपनी दुकान का भी देखना है, गृहस्थ भी करना है, it's anyway for a Sikh to be living a life in which you have grihasthi and being a saint is in today's world so tough here. But for me, there's one tuk. It comes a couple of times, which for me, every age now, our priorities change. What I was 10 years back, I'm not that person now. I can't even relate to that person. I don't even know who that person is. And what I am today, what I want to be 10 years from now, am I working towards that? None of us even think about it, and neither do I. Okay? So that means every period that we'll go through in our lives, we're different. So there came a time where I brought in the mother child care hospital without telling anyone. I was trying to bring in the first waste unit without that got publicity, got scrapped. So at a long thing that helped me in my life was, for a long time was, Kaho Nanak sab teri vadiyai, koi nao na jane mera. I think this motto for the institutes that we want to build need to become the motto of those institutes. ठीक है, when थानू अपनी नाम दी नहीं परवार, सब कुछ गुरु नानक दे नाम ते कर रहे हो, थोड़ा अपने आप ही चंगा होएगा. But for me, that one thing that has now stood by me for the last I think 15-20 years was जो किच करना सो कर रहा. जो किच करना, so what needs to be done, so kar reha, it's being done. So I think
surrender kar diya universe.
You have to, nothing going to, I'm not going to hold like this and suddenly something going to appear in my hand right now. If I'm not hitting, practicing my short game, I'm not going to put wedges. I'm not practicing basketball, I'm not going to be able to shoot. You have to work at it, but you have to also leave it. And I think that will give you a lot of dilasa. Jo kuch karna so kar reha. Okay. Otherwise, there are no answers on this planet. Today, you can ask about questions about Israel and Palestine. You'll open up Pandora's box. One will say this, one will say that. You talk about Hindu-Muslim, Pandora's box. You talk about Sikh community, Pandora's box. In everything. So there has to be a line drawn somewhere to live a little bit of this thing. So you have to have some hope. So for me, this gave me the biggest answer to a lot of questions. What needs to be done is being done. बाकी साड़ी गलतियां, साड़ी अपने कर्म है, साढ़े अपने जो भी you believe in.
I think this is going to be a lesson for a lot of people, including me, for multiple things.
I'm still scared that I don't know why you called me for this podcast.
It's been lovely. I go with the call of the universe. I had this call that I have to be with you, and I had a very strong feeling that the first time I met you, probably I was with a group of people, so that's
your
why
BNI gang.
BNI. So and very patiently, आपने पूरी हवेली गुरुद्वारा साहब पूरा घुमाया था, डिटेल में बताया था.
So everyone says, "You're born in this family, your Baba ji." I said, "No, yaar, I'm a tourist guide." Okay, so I do a lot of ਇੱਥੇ ਦਾ, then at one time I used to take a lot of people to Jwala Ji. Because जिन्हें भी आना के दर्शन कराने, so I used to take them there. Then now Mata Chintpunni is taken more this thing, so a lot of people now want to. So I'm saying, so एक संत जी ने क्या सीगा, इससे सब तो ज्यादा कमाई पता है आपको कौन करता है, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਂਦਾ है, because सब तो ज्यादा ਉਹਦੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਪਏ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ.
Yes.
So I used to think, yes, that's a good one.
But thanks again for accepting our invite, and it's been lovely listening to your wonderful thoughts. Thank you so much.
Thank you to the team.
Thank you.